How to get 1099 from Spark Driver. If you earned $600 or more as an independent contractor with Spark Driver, you'll receive a 1099 NEC form for tax reporting. To get your 1099 from Spark Driver, Spark usually sends an email by late January or early February with instructions or a link to access your 1099. Search your email inbox for subject, your 1099 tax form, or similar. You can also get 1099 from related details in Spark Driver website. Go to Spark Driver website, log into your account with email and password. After login, click on Text Document. You will receive your 1099 from Spark Driver here. That's it. Thanks for watching.